name is Ashwath. I am from the study SP Robotics Puducherry. This is my project Smart Home. My working model of my home. I used a light sensor. If I close the light sensor, the light blinks, and I used reset switch for this is my switch for the fan and two-way switch for the LED, and if the door opens, the light will be on. If the door closes, the light will be off. The components used are 2 batteries, 2 power supply board, 4 LED, 1 buzzer, light sensor, reset switch and module switch, and motor and two-way switch. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, bye bye.